And tomorrow, Austin City Council could vote to toughen rules on excessively loud vehicles on the roads. KVUE's Michael Courier explains how it would work and what Austin neighbors think right now. Good morning, Michael.
Yeah, Hannah, good morning. Well, this proposed ordinance would give Austin police really more authority to crack down on racing and engine revving for cars and motorcycles that go throughout Austin's neighborhoods. Now, the proposed ordinance says that it targets, quote, a loud or disturbing noise or vibration that is offensive to a person of ordinary sensibilities, end quote. That includes excessive acceleration or deceleration when there's no emergency and engine revving. A person could get a ticket if their vehicle's noise level exceeds 85 decibels after a peace officer warns them. People living in neighborhoods along 2222 in West Austin say the problem's grown worse over the last several years.
We are not asking for perfection. We're asking for a practical, enforceable solution that restores basic peace and safety to our neighborhood.
Supporters say the ordinance is about quality of life and public safety, but some critics worry about how noise levels will be measured and whether enforcement could be subjective. Under the proposed ordinance, violators could get a ticket of up to $500. If approved, the new rules would take effect later this year. Now, the vote is actually happening sooner than initially expected, as just weeks ago, City Council was expected to discuss this topic, this proposed ordinance, on March 26. However, it has now been decided that it's expected to be discussed tomorrow. For now, reporting in Austin, Michael Courier, KVUE News.